Here we are. We're in 1214. This is a partial ocean view. Wait, what are you doing? Cheers. All right. Okay. When you walk in, it looks like we got a closet. There's a steamer. By the way, this room smells amazing.
It smells brand new.
All right. And then what do we got here? Let's see. There's your safe. Oh, where is the mini bar? You want to open that up and see what's in there? Got little shooters, snacks. Well, that's not going to do. 1 Dos Equis and 1 Sol. We'll have to figure that out. You got a coffee maker, water. It's over here. Let's see. Oh, is that a light? Oh, okay. Here's the bathroom. Got a tub. All right, we got vanity, shaving, dental, hand and body. Ladies, you have a light up mirror. Look at that. With magnifying. All right. This is the shower. It's a pretty shower. Got a rain head. And my favorite, you gotta have the wand handle, in my opinion. Where is our conditioner, shampoo, and shower gel? Pretty nice little shower. A little bit see-through, but not too bad. Oh, and here's the baño. All right. Perfecto. Not totally private. I can definitely see the bathroom through there. But there is a door to the whole bathroom, so semi-private, but not completely. Looks like we got another closet. Some extra bedding. Yeah, those are pillows. There's extra pillows and some drawers. And again, I have to say how amazing this room smells, by the way. All right, so most of the rooms at this resort, even though it's adults only, it originally was going to be a family resort. So a lot of them have 2 queen beds. But that's okay, we're gonna make that work. Get a robe and slippers. Kind of a cool lamp. Looks like you got some outlets and USB there. Kind of a cool phone. Got the TV. More storage. Oh, look at that. We get a bottle of wine. And this is a pull-out. All right, should we check out the view? We do have a partial ocean, so let's see if we actually have partial or ocean. There it is. It's actually a very large patio. Sometimes you can barely sit in the chairs. Very nice. We're on the 2nd floor. There's our ocean view. So not bad for a partial. I can definitely see it fully. The swim outs are below. They're actually pretty good sized swim outs. So this is almost 5 o'clock in the afternoon and they're getting full sun. Looks like there's some fun going on. Got hammocks. Hearing some good music. Hopefully I don't get copyrighted for that. We'll go check out all the action here soon. Beautiful resort though. We're right by all the restaurants, so there's restaurants all here. So it won't take us long to go get food. Loving those beds there. A gazebo. The staff has been amazing so far, so I'm pretty excited. Hey. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the full resort review coming soon. Are you thinking about booking? Drop your questions in the comments and I'll be happy to answer any of your questions.